Hello everyone, welcome back to Biology Basics, and today we are going to talk about the differences, pointwise differences between cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. So student, the first difference is in terms of photosystem involved. Okay. So in the case of student, the cyclic photophosphorylation, only photosystem 1 is involved. Okay. However, if we talk about the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, then both the photosystem 1 plus the photosystem 2 both are involved. Okay, so this is the first difference in terms of the photosystem involved. Okay, the next difference is in terms of electron flow. Okay, so in the case of cyclic photophosphorylation, students, the electron will return to the same chlorophyll. Okay, so the electron returns to the same chlorophyll. Okay, whereas in case of the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the electron, it will be transferred to NADP plus. Okay, so electron transferred to NADP plus. Okay, so this will be the second difference between the two. And if we talk about the third difference, it is in terms of the products. So student, it is always better to write the pointwise differences because it will show that you know the correct answer, and it will also give you more marks. Okay, so the product will be the ATP only. Okay, and if we talk about the product of the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, then the product will be ATP, and in addition to ATP there will be NADPH. Okay, so this will be the third difference between the two. Now let's see what's the fourth difference. The fourth difference is in terms of oxygen release. So in the case of student, the cyclic photophosphorylation, there is no requirement of the oxygen. So no oxygen is released. Okay, whereas in the case of non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the oxygen is released. So student, this is the fourth difference between the two. The fifth difference is in the water splitting. Okay, so in case of the cyclic photophosphorylation, the water splitting is absent. However, in case of non-cyclic photophosphorylation, the water splitting is present. So this is the fifth difference between the two processes. Now if we talk about the complexity, then the cyclic photophosphorylation process, student, it is simple pathway. Okay, in terms of complexity. Okay, however, the non-cyclic photophosphorylation process is a complex pathway. So where does the next difference will show? Where does the non-cyclic or the cyclic photophosphorylation will occur? So the first is, we are talking about the cyclic photophosphorylation. So it will occur in the bacteria and the plants. Okay. Whereas the process of the non-cyclic photophosphorylation, it will occur in the higher plants and algae. Okay. So now, when does, the next difference is in terms of when does this process will occur. Okay, so we will just write the condition, okay, in which these processes will occur. So the cyclic photophosphorylation, it will operate under the stress, okay, or in the presence of the highlight conditions. Okay, if there is more abundant light is there. However, the non-cyclic photophosphorylation process, it will occur, okay, in the condition of normal photosynthesis. So these are the student 8 differences between cyclic photophosphorylation and the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching the video.